Hello friends, in this time of the year with the cold, the tire pressure drops a little bit, so you can add a little bit yourself with this tire repair kit. It's really easy, but it's difficult to see the tire pressure inside the car and inflate the tires in the same time. So you have to stop all the time, check out, start over again. So a little life hack: if you have a smartwatch like I have, you can activate the camera application. Set your phone right up on the steering wheel to film the tire pressure and look at your smartwatch the tire pressure in real time. Really easy, and I'll show you right now. There you go. And to avoid this message, just drop your keys in the car. Now I turn my phone and put it on top of the steering wheel so it films. Of course you have to let your motor running, otherwise you won't see the screen. Now let's activate the finder on my smartwatch. So that's the camera icon, and it is connected. So now I can see in real time my tire pressure. So let's start. And there you go, everything is set on the right pressure thanks to the watch. Really handy. So if you have a smartwatch that can use the phone camera, this life hack is the best way to go to inflate your tires to the correct pressure. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.